Hello everybody, Rick and Dale here. This is another video on more additions to my collection. I was again able to get all this stuff in a matter of maybe 2 weeks. So, here we go. Here's a few Rubik snakes, a miniature cube, mini pyraminx, another pyraminx, a pillow cube, octahedron, octagonal barrel. There is a flower jewel, a magic octahedron, some kind of monster cube, a few different 3x3s, a hexagonal whippet type of cube, and LJN whippet. There's my McDonald's cube, a 10 billion barrel, ivory tower or tower of Babylon tower, so many different names, Alexander star, orb or orbit, a Christmas cube, a couple of Chex cubes, 3 missing links, 2 regular and 1 keychain, 4 4x4s, all Rubiks, a Rubik's game, and to the right of that, Ultimate Cube. And that's what I was able to get. These down here all came from the 80s. The whole box was from the 80s. But I looked online and did some research on those two, and I asked people, and they are to supposedly be originals. So I was real happy, because those are worth something at least. But all my cubes are worth something. So again, thanks for watching the video, and have a great day. Bye.